So setting and registration, make sure you log into the administrator mode. The default password is 76543321 and same goes to the system pin 76543321, but my case here is different. I already changed the password to 1234567 and hit the login button and hit the preference and go through the network and TCP IP version 4 settings, IP address settings, and this is my IP address. Make sure the IP address is configured before you do the mobile print.